So hi children, how are you all? I hope all you fine. So children, see here. So up to here we discussed that two parts from that trigonometry. One of the part already we discussed in that 8th class. So in that 9th class we discussed that two parts. What are those two? The second part is compound angles and the third one is multiples and submultiples. So after that we have that fourth part. At that starting only I told you we have that four parts in that trigonometry. So this is the last part, I mean fourth part, that is transformations. So what about the transformations? So children, what we learnt in that compound angles? Compound angles means the sum of two angles or the difference of two angles by using the trigonometric ratios. Yes or no? Those formulas we learnt in that compound angles. So here also we have to apply that compound angles formulas, but here transformations means the sum or the difference of two trigonometric ratios. Okay, the sum or difference of two trigonometric ratios transforms into products. Okay, the sum or the difference of two trigonometric ratios. Two trigonometric ratios transforms into products. Or vice versa. Okay, about this one we will learn in this concept. Okay, once again see that what is the statement here? The sum or the difference of two trigonometric ratios. So let us see here one of the example. Here two trigonometric ratios, we know that sin of a plus b. We know the formula for that, sin of a plus b, that is the formula related to compound angle. Now here another trigonometric ratio I am going to take, that is sin of a minus b formula also we know that. Yes or no ma? Sin of a plus b and sin of a minus b. So here the sum of these two trigonometric ratios or its subtraction. Okay, the sum or the difference of two trigonometric ratios, its value. Okay, actually sin of a plus b formula is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and here sin of a minus b formula is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay, those two are the formulas of sin of a plus b and sin of a minus b. Now here when you are adding those two values, here that answer will come in terms of product. Okay, here this is addition or subtraction, whatever it may be, here answer will come in that. If you take that addition, if you take in that addition, then what we will get here? Sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a cos b. Yes or no ma? 2 sin a cos b. Or let us see one example here. Sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Already we know this one, right? It's addition, subtraction. So here sin of a minus b, so sin a cos b, and here minus is there, no? So minus cos a sin b. Am I clear to you? So if you take in here addition, so sum of these two trigonometric ratios, here cos a sin b gets cancelled, then here the resultant is 1 plus 1 2 sin a cos b, 2 sin a cos b. Am I clear? That's what I written here, 2 sin a cos b. So here these two trigonometric ratios also will come under that product. Okay, multiplication only, no? Here sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b is equal to 2 sin a into cos b. Okay, that is the product. So that's what we will learn in that transformations. Okay, here you may get the doubt. Ma'am, already we learned this one in multiples and submultiples also, no? And in the same way compound angles also we learned about this one. Why again here the given transformations? So children, here at the place of a plus b, here just transforms to in terms of c. Okay, a plus b in terms of c, and here a minus b in terms of d. Okay, so in this concept we will learn that formulas related to c and d, in terms of c and d. Am I clear to you? So first say that some compound angles I will write here, some compound angles formulas I will write here. After that I will tell you here how we will get that a plus b as c and a minus b as d. Okay, see here. So what is that first formula what we discussed here? That one only I will write here. See that sine of a plus b plus sine of a minus b. So what is that formula here we written? That is 2 sine a cos b. Okay, that is the first formula. And come to the next one. Sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. So here first addition, next subtraction. So when you are doing that subtracting those two formulas, what we will get? Here you will get that 2 cos a sine b. The next part will come now here. Okay. And in the same way, by using that cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. So which is equals to 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a cos b. Am I clear to you? And come to that next one. So cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. So which is equals to here minus 2 sine a sine b. What is that next formula here? Minus 2 sine a sine b. We know that proof also, no? So once again I will explain you that proof also. See here. So cos of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. Okay. And in the same way minus of cos of a minus b. So cos a cos b plus sine a sine b. Okay, it's a subtraction, no? So we have to change that sign here. Okay, so plus and minus gets cancelled. So this is negative and in the same way this is also negative. So minus, and here how many times there ma? 2 times there. So that's why minus 2 sine a sine b. Okay, that's what I written here. Minus 2 sine a sine b. Clear to you? Yes. So this one only. In positive also we can write. How we can write that? Means see here. Cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b minus of cos of a plus b. Okay. So which is equals to 2 sine a sine b. Okay, understand ma here? So these are the formulas what we learnt in that compound angles. So why madam here you written? Means already I told you, no, here transformations we will see that. So I want to take that, let a plus b is equal to some c. What is that? A plus b is equal to c. And here a minus b is equal to some d. Okay, I taken here a plus b is equal to c, a minus b is equal to d. So from this one, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Let it be some take. Okay. So here first I want to take that addition. A plus b is equal to c, a minus b is equal to d. So while you are doing that adding, okay, then what you will get? Plus b minus b gets cancelled. So a plus a is equal to 2a is equal to c plus d. 2a is equal to c plus d. And in the same way, a is equal to c plus d by 2. C plus d by 2. So here what we get ma? A is equal to c plus d by 2. And come to this one here. Yes. So a minus b is equal to, a plus b is equal to c, and in the same way a minus b is equal to d. Now do that subtraction. So minus, this is plus and this is minus. Okay. So here a plus b, a minus b. So plus a minus a gets cancelled and here plus b, which means 2b. 2b is equal to c minus d. So from this one b is equal to c minus d by 2. C minus d by 2. So here we got the two values ma. What are those two values? So here I am writing those two values. See here. So a is equal to c plus d by 2 and in the same way b is equal to c minus d by 2. So those two values we got from this one. Am I clear? Yes. Now here these values, these formulas, how it transforms into that is c and d. Okay. So let us see that here a plus b is equal to c. A plus b is equal to c. So instead of that a plus b, just write that c. Okay. Then how you will get here c? So first formula I am writing here, say that sine of a plus b is there, no? So a plus b is equal to, we taken that as c. Next a minus b is equal to d, we taken, no? So at the place of sine of A plus B, this is sine C plus sine of A minus B. So sine D. Understand ma? This is the first formula. Sine C plus sine D is equal to 2 sine A cos B. 2 sine A cos B. So which is equals to 2 sine A is equal to, we got that C plus D by 2. And B is equal to, we got that C minus D by 2. That's what we written now there. Okay. So at the place of A, here we have to write that 2 sine C plus D by 2. And here cos C minus D by 2. Understand ma? So here sine of A plus B plus sine of A minus B is equal to 2 sine A cos B, actually formula. So here instead of that A plus B we taken here C. So that's why sine C plus sine D is equal to 2 sine A, at the place of A C plus D by 2, and at the place of B C minus D by 2. Okay. So finally we are getting here one of the transformation. First formula is sine C plus sine D is equal to 2 sine C plus D by 2 as well as cos C minus D by 2. Okay. So here C plus D by 2 and C minus D by 2, those two are the theta. Theta means that is nothing but angles. Understand ma? Yes. So this is the first formula. Did you understand how to write that? So by using this one, shall we write that the leftover formulas? Yes. So second formula, what we written? Sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. So sine C minus sine D. So which is equals to 2 cos A sine B. Okay. So 2 cos of C plus D by 2. And here sine of C minus D by 2. So this is the second formula. So children, how we learned that formulas related to multiples and submultiples? So first we learned that multiple angles. So just by substituting A by 2, we are learning that substituting values, right? Submultiple angles. So and in the same way here also, if you learn that compound angles, we will know that transformation formulas. Okay. So see here. The next formula is cos of A plus B. So A plus B is C plus cos of A minus B. Cos A plus B plus cos of A minus B, which is equals to, so cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, what we got? 2 cos A cos B. So 2 cos of C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D by 2. So this is the third formula. Understand? And the next formula, see here what we written? Cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D, which means cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. Last formula what we written, that is. Okay. So here minus 2 sine A. A means C plus D by 2. And here sine C minus D by 2. C minus D by 2. Or the same formula we can write as 2 sine, in positive we can write this one, 2 sine C plus D by 2 into sine. If you change the terms here like this, okay, D minus C. If you multiply this one with a negative sign, okay, so we can write this one as D minus C by 2. So if you are multiplying this one with a negative sign, so minus into minus will come as positive. So instead of this formula, like this also you can write, but here you have to change that D minus C. Did you understand that, ma? So these are the transformation formulas. Okay, and here this one only we written as cos C minus cos D, as cos D minus cos C also we written. In that cases also we will get that positive value. So in that cases you can write that 2 sine C plus D by 2 sine C minus D by 2. When if you are having that cos D minus cos C. Okay, here that formula also I will write, see here. Cos D minus cos C is there. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Okay, in these cases you can write that positive, that is 2 sine C plus D by 2 and sine C minus D by 2. Just observe the difference ma here. Here see that, here just you are taking that minus as common, just you are taking the product. Then minus into minus will come as plus. For that C minus D, and here D minus C is there. So that's why here there is no change. Understand ma? So here these are the transformation formulas. So by using this one we will simplify that next problems related to worksheet. And in the same way, before going to worksheet, here they given that some concepts. Okay, in that concepts also some proofs as well as theorems and proofs there, just like that previous concept only we will discuss in that next video. Okay, thank you all.